There she is, guys, my Can-Am Ryker Rally Edition, model year 2020. She does not look like much now, but she will be beautiful when fully assembled. I picked this up in upstate New York at our local power sports dealer, and they were kind enough to let me videotape the assembly of the bike. Now, this took many, many hours, and I can't show all of that. So I'm just going to quickly go through some of the steps that they did, such as adjusting the suspension here. I did get the upgraded sway bar. You can see it here in red compared to the original in black, so it's a little bigger. They did a good job installing that. The hope here is that it'll just improve the handling. So if any of you guys got any input on that, I'd love to hear about it in the discussion. I got this in all matte black. Can-Am was running a sale on that particular color, so this is it's not the shiny black, but it's kind of like a flat black. They walked through all of the installation, which I thought was pretty cool. Let me in the shop for the entire time, so that was really, really cool of them. So here they are putting on that body panel that's in that nice black color. Explained everything about how the entire wire harness was put together. Everything actually looked pretty simple, which is one of the reasons I like this bike. You know, if I want to cruise across the U.S. like I've done in the past, I'll happily take out the RT or maybe the RSS. But this Ryker is just perfect for just quick runs around town. I'm hoping not to put a lot of accessories on here, to be honest with you, just only the ones that I need. Key accessory that I did get was the passenger seat. Here you can see they're installing the passenger pegs. When I ride, I do like to ride with others. I like my passenger with me. I just think the sport of motorcycle riding is so much better when you do it with other people. I'd say about 95% of the time I ride with either someone with me or in a group. I just like that. I love the social aspect of it. And this is just another great Can-Am product to help with that experience. So I'm happy there. Coming up next, you'll see they did a test fit on the passenger seat itself. I did get the folding backrest. I wanted to have a nice metal support for my passenger, something safe. I didn't want them leaning against any kind of plastic aftermarket thing, so I did spend a little extra money for this, plus the comfort seat. So that was great. And again, a big shout out to these guys at Progressive Motorsports for letting me film that. So here it is, Can-Am accessories. I got the comfort seat, the passenger seat, passenger folding backrest. I did get the stabilizer and the adjustable windshield, which I must say has been a big plus. And then that black color, I do absolutely love it. Let me know in the discussion section what accessories you guys have on your Rykers, and especially about the handling for you guys that have the sway bar. I'd love to know what your opinion is on that. Thanks for watching, guys.